Stop, you are busy being worthless. You just spent 2 hours learning the new ChatGPT feature. You used Claude to summarize a 30-page report. You used a new AI image generator to make a cool picture for a blog post. You feel productive, but you're not. You're just a faster cog in the exact same machine. You are a task doer, and task doers are the first and easiest to be fully replaced. This video is about how to stop being the user of the tool and start being the architect of the machine itself. This is what I call the AI tactical trap. You're running on a hamster wheel, mastering individual tools, but these tools are changing every single week. Your hard-earned knowledge becomes obsolete the moment you learn it. You're not building a lasting asset. You are just renting a temporary skill. You're using AI to check boxes 5% faster. This is a fatal, low leverage mistake. This is where the professionals separate from the amateurs. You have to stop thinking like a user, and start thinking like an architect. The multi-million dollar skill is not knowing what GPT 4.0 can do. It's knowing how to connect it to your CRM, to a web scraper, and to your email client to build an autonomous system, a system that runs while you sleep, a system that is a true strategic asset. So what is this? What do you learn instead of tools? You learn this. This is make.com. This is an integration platform. This is the glue. This is the operating system for your new AI workforce. You don't learn the tools, you learn how to orchestrate them. Let me make this real for you. A task doer uses ChatGPT to write a follow-up email. An architect builds this. Watch. A new lead fills out the form on your website. A webhook instantly sends that data to the Claude 3 API. Claude analyzes their message and sends back one word: hot. The system then routes this. Because the lead is hot, it instantly creates a new deal in HubSpot, assigns it to a sales rep, and sends a high priority message to the sales Slack channel with all the lead's details. That entire process took 4 seconds. No human involved. That is a system. Here's another one. An automated research consultant. You add a topic to this spreadsheet. The system sees it, sends the topic to the Perplexity API to find the top 5 new articles. It then scrapes the content of all 5 articles and feeds that raw text into GPT 4.0 with one prompt. Synthesize these 5 articles into a 300-word executive brief. Focus on market risks and opportunities. The system then takes that finished brief and pastes it right back into the spreadsheet. You didn't do the research. You own the machine that does it. Stop being the person who uses the tools, be the person who builds the systems. The task doer is scrambling to learn the next feature. The architect is deciding which feature to plug into their existing money-making machine. Your entire focus needs to shift. Master one integration platform. Make, Zapier, N8N, I don't care which. Treat everything else, GPT, Claude, Perplexity, Midjourney, as a commodity, as a simple plugin to be called by an API. That is the strategic asset. That is how you become irreplaceable.